In this video, we will learn how to find followers on Threads. So, let's get going. Open a Threads account. If you don't have one, simply install the app from the Google Play Store on an Android device, then register for an account. You must visit the App Store if you use an iPhone. Threads is closely linked to the Meta platform Instagram and additionally requires users to both have Instagram and use Threads under the same handle. I will share with you a very easiest and simplest way to find your followers on your Threads account. To see who your followers are, just simply open your profile from the right bottom side of the screen. And just right below your username, there will be an option for followers. When you press it, the list of your followers will appear. This account is just for you guys to let you know the features of Threads. So, I just have one follower. And this was the simplest way to find your followers on Threads. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.